pag pumupunta po kasi kami sa mga
Areas.
fourth class municipalities, ang dami po doon mo makikita yung mga textbook poverty talaga. Like, doon mo talaga makikita yung mga tao hindi kumakain. Once na
Like,
kumakain.
isang tuka na
Yes.
kind of wala
Tapos,
silang access to this, to basic things.
Yes.
We were very active talaga kasi
Yeah.
we were proactive in building, in community building,
Right.
in nation building. That was us in years ago. In ICAN po kasi, we were young kids who just believed that we can actually change the world.
Yeah.
And we didn't take it to the changing the whole world, but changing one community at a time.
Yeah.
So it happened when you were in med school and when we were in college.
Yeah, in the recognition also that social media can be used for social mobilization.
Yes.
Kasi for us guys, I mean, it's okay if you use your social media to document your dietary history. But for us, it was a way to move people
Yes.
into changing the community and changing the world. Ganun tayo mag-isip dati.
Malawak kayo mag-isip. Akala mo talagang mga philanthropist po kami. Pero ganun kayo mag-isip dati.
Akala mo ang daming
Yes.
funding.
Yeah,
Pero yes,
oo.
ang daming funding na dumadating because they could really see the passion.
Yes.
And then they could really see na document natin yung improvements, yung
Yes.
impact ng ginagawa natin.